On the Math Analysis First Semester Review, number 7 says, find the relative minimum and the relative maximum points for the graph of f of x equals negative x to the third plus 3x squared plus 24x minus 12. So first of all, the relative minimum is the least value of a function f of x can attain on some interval of the domain. The relative maximum is the greatest value of a function f of x can attain on some interval of the domain. So to begin this problem, you're first going to enter the equation into your calculator. So you're going to go to y equals and then enter in the equation. So you're going to type in negative x to the third plus 3x squared plus 24x minus 12. Then you go to zoom, and then you're going to go down to zoom fit and click enter. And your graph will soon appear. Once you have your graph, you're going to then find the relative minimum and maximum. So first we're going to find the relative minimum. And we know it's somewhere in here because this is the lowest point on the graph. So you're going to go to second trace, which is calc, and then you're going to go down to number 3, which is minimum. It then asks you for the left bound, and so you're going to have to move the little cursor over to the left and click enter. And then it asks you for the right bound, so you're going to move your cursor all the way over to the other side of where you think the minimum is and click enter. And then it asks if you want the calculator to guess, and yes, you do. So you click enter again. It then gives you the minimum of x is negative 2 and y is negative 40. So you now know that your relative minimum equals negative 2, negative 40. Next, we're going to find the relative maximum. Again, go to second trace, which is calc, and then go down this time to number 4 to maximum. And we know our maximum is right somewhere in here. So the left bound, we're going to do, move your cursor to the left of it, so right there, enter. Anywhere on the graph is perfectly fine as long as it's to the left. And then right bound, move our cursor over there, enter, and then we want it to guess, so you click enter again. And it says that our x is negative, is 3.99 repeating, and y is 68. So our relative maximum equals 468.